Lately, I've been playing with something new, the Vivosun AeroDrain D12 Dehumidifier. And for the past 2 weeks, I've been testing this thing out. The setup was super simple. You just take your humidity probe, which also has that 2.5mm jack on it, and you plug it right into the receptacle on the back. And once the probe is in, you will get your relative humidity on the screen here. You also get your temperature, which is set to Celsius right now. I need to change that to Fahrenheit. But cool enough, it gives you your VPD as well. To switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, just hold the up button down, and then boom, it'll change it for you. You can run this unit standalone as is. It's got intake here, the outtake up here. Or you could use it as a closed loop system by taking the adapters. You would take this one, click it into place up here, then you get your exhaust tubing, run that back into your tent, and then just the opposite of that is you can actually use this piece, put your filter in like this. It comes with 2 filters, so you could change them out if you want to, snap them into place, and then you put this right onto here, and then you could run this into the tent and extract all the moist air directly out. Here are a couple examples of what that would look like. And again, as you can see, there's multiple ways you could set this up, which makes this a very flexible machine. If you want it in the tent, cool. If you want it out of the tent, great. You guys have options. This thing is a workhorse. It can pull up to 12 liters of water from the air per day. The reservoir in the back holds up to 2 liters, so if this thing was working full capacity, that means you're going to be emptying it about 6 times per day. An alternative drainage option that you have is you can connect the drain hose in the back there and run it into something else. Right now I've got it attached to my 2-gallon watering can. And then you put the reservoir back in, the machine will turn on and start draining into your bucket. Realistically, over the past 2 weeks, I've been emptying this thing twice a day. I think there may have been a couple times where I did it 3 times a day, but really I've been emptying it twice a day. And I've been having this out in my lung room, just kind of helping condition the air there. It's actually built for a 5x5 grow tent. And if you look at the specifications, you'll see that it's not really a huge unit. It's about 20 inches tall, 11 inches wide, and about 7 inches deep. So if you're growing a couple tall plants or 4 big containers in a 4x4, this will actually fit right in the middle underneath that canopy. And just like a lot of my other Vivosun grow gear, like my V-Cure or my V-Grow, I can control this remotely through the Vivosun app. Overall, I've been quite impressed. This thing is fairly quiet. It's actually running right next to me right now, and it's nice and compact. You can fit it inside the tent, and it does a really good job. Again, I monitor my humidity levels, and I see how it affects the total humidity. So overall, stoked with this thing, gonna keep it running. If you want to pick one up for yourself, make sure you use the discount code down below. But if you're looking for gear or merch from me, ChadWestport.com is the place to do it. Thank you for watching today. Keep it locked here on the Chad Westport YouTube channel. And remember, everybody, to party on.